love the fact that you can do this with this bike. Let's go. Let's go. It's all kind of fun, by the way. All kind of fun, this motorcycle. This exhaust makes you like a menace. Woo, a little overpass. Let's get it. Yo, smiles for days with this bike, bro. Yes, it's a good day to be on tools, baby. What's good? Mike's in the building. Welcome to another video, boys. We practice it, we get it, and now we do it at will, right? Let's go. I love having the ABS off in the rear wheel. It is really nice. The bike feels a little bit more alive. It feels like, you see how the road is kind of curving? It'd be like really dope. Damn, I wanted to kind of go ahead and shit, but oh, he did too. There's usually hidden cops here, so try to be mindful, man. Anyway, what's good with you guys? Might as well ask what's good with everybody. Yeah, on the next red light, I'm definitely gonna push up. This road is really dope, but at night there's a lot of cops. In the daytime, you know, you have the blind driveways coming in. You want to be mindful with that. It's a beautiful view though, like passing through the canopy and everything. But we can't open up, man. We gotta keep it on the 50 miles an hour. That's it. Thing, man, I love it. By the way, did you guys notice how the display is turning from daytime to nighttime? This is the level of tech that's on the bike, by the way. I'm talking about almost like Panigale, my Street Fighter V4S, $35,000 bike, and it's on here. This is on a $15,000 bike. To the front from here if everyone stops, but let's see. Holy shit, that sounds really good, man. I'm hoping there's some people at Seacliff Beach, man. That'd be really dope. Whew. By the way, how are you guys liking the Aprilia RS660? A lot of people are expecting that I get like Ducati Panigale V2, but it is just not the bike that I want to put money in. I think with the Testastrada Quattro engine, I don't want to kind of invest. I didn't want to invest in that bike, but this bike will definitely be something special for the track. You guys can see how much work that's in it, and it's super lightweight. Look how lightweight it is. It is super easy. Cops tend to hide in these little nooks, so that you can do this with this bike. Let's go. Let's go. It's all kind of fun, by the way. All kind of fun, this motorcycle. And the brakes are pretty good too with the bike. The only caveat with this motorcycle, I would say, I think the rear suspension is a little soft. But then again, it could be because for my weight, I would have to upgrade it. Overpass. Let's get it. Yo, smiles for days with this bike, bro. I've never done this route, so that's kind of cool. Oh man. By the way, if you guys are new to the whole sport bike life, what are you looking at? What are the bikes you're looking at? You know, R6 and older R6, R7. Some people are getting that Suzuki, I think 800, GSX 800. I think that might be a thing that everyone's talking about. A lot of mid-tier bikes are becoming the norm because those bikes are more tangible money-wise. They're a little bit more friendly in terms of the weight side. And you get a lot for your buck, guys. You get a lot. My wife doesn't mind me doing wheelies on the RVE and the Hypermotor 939, but on this bike, she's like, I don't know. Like, I don't know how I feel about this bike for wheelies. So that's kind of funny. Almost there. Let's see if there's any riders out there. We're just gonna kick it up there for a little bit. Up here. Completely different route than what I usually take going down to Seacliff Beach. But I'll take it, man. I'll take it. Back was sliding for. I realized the back locks up easy on this bike, really.
In a quarter mile, turn
left. This exhaust makes you like a menace with this bike. Alright, let's see what's popping off. Damn, there's always people here. I guess there's a first for everything. But we'll kind of hang out, man, and see who pulls up. Yeah, let's see you pull up, man. That's gonna be interesting. Alright, if you guys enjoy these videos, hit that thumbs up, man. You guys know the deal. Comment down below sports bike, right? If that's what you guys want to see on the channel. You guys know my favorite style of bikes, and it's naked bikes and supermotos, but you know, I'm no indifferent when it comes to sports bikes. I love them. I just think I tend to ride very aggressive, and I try to negate any mistakes that can happen, you know. So you have to know yourself in order to prevent certain situations, and me being an adult, I know myself, so I pick and choose ideal places, ideal toys to have that I know I'm gonna be able to enjoy long term and not, you know, harm myself. But yeah, for sure, we'll get some sport bikes because I love them. I love all motorcycles. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.